We just received the Paprcraft Essentials issue 176, and look at it. It is really lovely, and there's some really different things in here. So here's what the magazine looks like, but you know, what else are you going to get? Well, let me show you. There is a pop-up box card kit. What does that mean? Well, it means that you're getting a template so that you can create your pop-up box. So that's right here, and the directions, of course, are in the magazine. So a reusable template. There's also some acetate, because if you are using the pop-up box, you need little pieces of acetate. So you just cut this apart, and that is, and you don't need much. So you can cut this in half and cut little strips to let the individual items attach to the box, but kind of float as they're coming out of that box. This is something I haven't seen before in one of the collections, and there are all of these watercolor dyes. So these are already die cut for you, and there are 165. I love the artwork. I think it's quite beautiful. You're going to get 2 of each sheet, and very nicely done. So 2 of that. And as I said, 165, that's just not bad at all. So you'll find lots of ways to use these. And in addition, and these are on chipboard or cardstock, so you'll have that. And then another, well, there's more sheets. There's this one and there's this one. Yeah, 165. They're gorgeous. Then you are also going to get some papers. There are 8 double-sided 8x8 papers. So I'll show you the fronts and the back. And there's 2 of that and 2 of this. Same artwork as you're getting in the die cuts. As you can see, there's the back side of that. And then another one. And there's the back side of that, some little dots, tone on tone. So all of those, just lovely artwork, absolutely lovely artwork. So, and then you also get 400 of the foam squares. So that's always useful, especially for this style of card making. So all of those come in this little package. And let me show you what the magazine's going to do. It's going to show you lots of different things, new things, but it's also going to show you how to make this loveliness. And here is, well, I'm parking right here. We also are going to have this. In fact, I think it's in stock right now. It's the new A5 card collection. So this has a different something. So this is a cut out and keep section. So all of this section, these 16 pages, are using the product that's in with the magazine. So that's really nice. You can just pop that out. You can leave it in the magazine, but you're going to see all the different ideas that the design team has using the papers as well as the template. Step-by-step instructions, how to use that template, how to put it together. It's beautifully done. And just lots and lots of ideas. You can also use the product, of course, with just regular card making and having that wonderful collection of florals. Isn't that sweet? So you can use it in different ways. Flat cards, 3D cards, all of that is going to be shown. And look at this, isn't that pretty? With a cutaway card, gatefold card. It's just beautiful. Really is a nice collection of things. Now, how to create a shaker panel? Well, just in case you weren't sure, there's directions how to make that. And even more, if you want to do a tag, easy to do. If you want to cover a planner or a composition book, or if you want to do some gift wrap, that's going to work nicely too. Certainly with 165 pieces, you're going to have lots of opportunities to use them. Now further in the magazine, it's just going to show you other product, how to use things. Very, very nice. And then there's also a whole section of easel cards. So it's nice to have these kind of tutorials that they always include. And I thought it was fun to see this as an easel card. It's a double shaker card. I've never seen that before. Very, very fun. And there's something else. I was shocked that there is an edition of this magazine included free. So you're getting 2 magazines all of those goodies, and this is Love Card Making, just to flip through it, just a lot of ideas, a lot of techniques. All of the instructions are full instructions, so they're going to show you exactly how to make and create the projects that they've done. So this time you're getting 2 magazines, 165 watercolor die cuts, as well as 8 papers, as well as the acetate, the foam squares. Oh my word, this is not going to last long. Well, we love the fact that we are the exclusive provider to practical publishing products in the United States, and you'll find them right here at paperwishes.com.